Hey everyone, so Microsoft is announcing a new Windows Copilot. Now this one is the AI powered personal assistant which will be built in your Windows 11. Microsoft used to have different type of personal assistants, like if you remember Clippy, and they also launched Cortana, and I don't know if anyone used that one. Now the great thing here is that the new Windows Copilot will be integrated on your Windows 11 directly. As you can see this icon, this will be available directly from the taskbar and you can use it across all the apps and programs. Now Microsoft says that once you open this Windows Copilot, it will be there for you and it will be available to act as your personal assistant. You can use it across all your apps, programs and windows, and it makes every user a power user. It will help you take different type of actions. You can also customize your settings. So if someone is not a Windows power user, they don't have to search for a specific query if they want to change a setting. If you want to turn Windows into dark mode, then if someone is not aware of that, they have to search. But now using Windows Copilot, you can only write that turn my Windows into dark mode and you don't have to go through settings. So even if you are not aware of different type of settings on your Windows computer, you'll be able to use it like a power user. But you also have document features, like it can summarize content. Like for example, if you drop a PDF here and then click on explain, rewrite or summarize, you can use those features so you can easily summarize a document. And like for example, if you drop an Excel file and write that show me this data using graphs, then it will directly show all the data in terms of graphs. Now Microsoft is also claiming that this one works with all your apps, so we can use this personal assistant and communicate with all the apps. As they are showing in this demo, you can easily play a playlist based on your mood using Spotify app. In terms of design, they are not replacing the search bar on the Windows 11 taskbar, but this one will be a separate Copilot button. Another point here is that Microsoft is allowing developers to create plugins on this AI powered assistant. There are so many possibilities here with Windows Copilot that you will get different type of new functionality using those plugins written for specific programs. Now in terms of the availability, they will be testing Windows Copilot publicly in June, and after that it will be rolling out for more users. It will be only available to Windows 11 users. Now you can also use this Windows Assistant for your different creative tasks, like you can write that you want to create a logo for your business. Now it will launch different type of logo templates using Adobe Express, and then you can do some changes so you can finally create a logo, and you can also share it using Windows Copilot. This is really great. Microsoft is bringing the power of AI to Windows 11. What do you think about the new Windows Copilot? Please comment down below. As always, thank you for watching this video. See you later.